Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to For Real. I'm Anna, and today we're going to dive into something super essential yet often overlooked, cleaning your AirPods. If you're like me and use them daily, they can get pretty nasty. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, how do you know when your AirPods need a good cleaning? Well, if you're noticing muffled sound, static, or any drop in audio quality, it's likely due to lint and wax buildup. Check the speaker screens for any dirt or discoloration. The easiest way to keep your AirPods clean is to make it a routine. After each use, or at least daily, wipe them down with a microfiber cloth. This will help prevent any buildup of wax or lint. Be gentle with the speaker screens. Pressing too hard can actually damage them and ruin your listening experience. You might be wondering, why microfiber? Well, the fibers in these cloths are super tiny, like 1/100 the diameter of a human hair. This allows them to trap dirt more effectively than cotton or paper towels, and they don't require any cleaning agents. So it's a win-win. Sometimes you might need a bit more than just a dry cloth. Adding a small amount of distilled water or isopropyl alcohol to your microfiber cloth can help. Remember, dampen the cloth, not the AirPods. And avoid using anything containing bleach. A gentle wipe on the exterior surfaces is all you need. Never clean the speaker mesh with any liquids. It can cause damage. If you're loving these tips, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on more awesome content from For Real. And hey, drop a comment below if you've ever had a crazy story with your AirPods getting dirty. I'd love to hear it. Sometimes a simple wipe down isn't enough. If your AirPods need a serious clean, start with the microfiber cloth, then use an anti-static brush to clean deeper, especially around the speaker screens and seams. Always brush in one direction to avoid pushing dirt inside. No anti-static brush? No problem. A soft new toothbrush will do the trick. Again, remember to brush in one direction only. For those using AirPods Pro, don't forget to clean the ear tips too. Remove them, rinse with water, and wipe with a lint-free cloth. Make sure they dry completely before attaching them back. Quick heads up, AirPods Pro are water-resistant, not waterproof. As for the charging case, it's not water-resistant at all, so always keep moisture away. Your AirPods case needs love too. Wipe it down with a microfiber cloth, inside and out. A clean case ensures your AirPods charge properly and stay in top shape. If you ever find debris under the speaker screens, you can use a toothpick or a tiny amount of isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth. Be very careful not to damage the screens. Some people also use blue tack or compressed air, but always be gentle to avoid any damage. And that's it. With these tips, your AirPods will last longer and sound better. Regular cleaning can make a huge difference. Thanks for tuning in to For Real. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who needs cleaner AirPods. See you next time.